I need to evaluate this integral here. So I'm going to quadratic expressions. The first thing I need to do is to complete the square. Right? Always need to complete the square with integration when you're inside the square root there. So 3 plus 2x minus x squared. So I'm going to get the x squared, change these around, so minus, put the x squared there, minus 2x, just put them inside the bracket, and then complete the square here. So that's 3 minus, right, half of 2 is 1, so that's going to be x minus 1 all squared, and the square one up is 1, I've added 1, so I'm going to have to subtract 1. So that's 3 minus x minus 1 all squared minus 1 plus 1, so that's equal to 4 minus x minus 1 all squared. Okay, so the integral then is from 1 to 2 of the square root of 4 minus x minus 1 all squared dx. Now then, to integrate that, they haven't given me the substitution. Okay, but what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to substitute, because to be able to square root, I can't square root a sum or a difference. I need to make this into a product. And the way this is going to happen is either by using trig or hyperbolic functions. So go into page 6 on the formula booklet. What I'm looking for here is which of these integrals follows the format of the square root of a squared minus x squared. So the square root of a squared minus x squared is this one here, which is sine to the minus 1 of x over a. Okay, so what I'm going to do, my substitution then is going to involve a sine theta. So I'm going to have the substitution that x minus 1 is going to equal something with sine theta. So what I need then, I need a 4 minus 4 sine squared theta, because I need to factorize that. So because I need 4 minus 4 sine squared theta, I have to 2 there. So there's my substitution. Okay, now with substitution I need to change the limits. These are x limits at the moment. So if x equals 1, I put that in, then I go 1 minus 1 equals 2 sine theta. So that's 0 equals 2 sine theta. So theta is sine to the minus 1 of 0 over 2, which is 0. Put x equal to 2, so I got 2 minus 1 is 2 sine theta. 1 equals 2 sine theta. Sine theta is a half, so theta is sine to the minus 1 of a half. And calculator needs to be in rad modes here. Okay, shift to set up, make sure you're in rad modes for, then you can do shift sine of 1 over 2, and that's pi by 6. Alright, I might well have known that without the calculator. That's pi by 6. There's my limit sorted. I need to sort the dx out. So x equals 1 plus 2 sine theta. So dx by d theta is 2 cos theta, so dx is 2 cos theta d theta. So there's the limits, there's the dx. Now I just need to sort this out. So the integral now becomes then, so 1 mapped to 0, 2 mapped to pi by 6. That's the square root of 4 minus, and x minus 1 is 2 sine theta. That's 2 sine theta all squared, times dx, which is 2 cos theta d theta. So 0 to pi by 6, or the square root of, right, that's 4 minus 4 sine squared theta. Right, 4 minus 4 sine squared theta is 4 bracket 1 minus sine squared theta. 1 minus sine squared is cos squared, so that's 4 cos squared theta. So that's integral 0 to pi by 6 of the square root of 4 cos squared theta times 2 cos theta d theta. Right, then square root 4 cos squared theta, so that's 2 cos theta times 2 cos theta d theta. So that's the integral of 4 cos squared theta d theta from 0 to pi by 6. So into a cos squared theta. So cos 2 theta is 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So rearrange that. So cos 2 theta plus 1 is 2 cos squared theta. So that integral 4 cos squared theta, then 4 cos will be 2 lots of that, so that's 2 lots of cos 2 theta plus 1, which is twice. Integrate cos 2 theta, that's sine 2 theta over 2. Integrate 1, that's theta from 0 to pi by 6. So set pi by 6 in first of all, so that's sine 2 lots of pi by 6 over 2 plus pi by 6. Minus 2 lots of the sine of 0 over 2 plus 0. That is equal to 0. And then evaluating that bracket. Make sure you're in rad mode. I am. So that's 2 bracket sine of 2 pi divided by 6 over 2 plus pi over 6, and I get 1.913222. The question asks me to 3 sig figs, 1, 2, 3, so the answer is 1.91 to 3 sig figs.